Good morning, students.
Morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How are you this morning?
I'm
I am
good.
sleepy,
I am
ma'am.
fine, ma'am. How about you?
Yeah, I'm so good. Thank you so much. Okay, students. Before we beginning our learning today, we should pray firstly. So I need one of you to lead us to pray. Okay, Halimatun can lead us to pray. Please.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray. Finish.
Thank you. Okay. Well, I will check your attendance list. Faruk,
Yes, ma'am.
Herjuna,
Yeah, ma'am.
Ciprianus,
I'm here, ma'am.
Dwi Cokro.
Late, ma'am. Late.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. All student. Yeah. A student present here, yeah. Okay. I have some questions, yeah. I have some question for you. Slide, yeah, the third slide. Iya, slide yang ketiga. Okay. Some questions. The first questions, do you have best friend? The
Yes.
second,
Yes,
of
of course,
course.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The next, have you ever described him or her to other people?
Yes, ma'am. I have ever described her to other
Good.
people.
Good, Halimatun. Next, how do you describe him or her? So,
I describe her. She beautiful, smart, very kind, like that, ma'am.
excellent. Thank you, Halimatun. Any one of you? Dwi Cokro, do you have best friend? Where is Cokro?
Kamlit.
Kamlit. Okay. The other, Harry.
Okay. I describe my best friend. He is healthy, have beard, tall, good in English.
Wow.
He is a male.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
Okay, thank you, Harry. That's good.
You're
Excellent.
welcome. Thank you.
Okay. Ya. Dari beberapa teman yang sudah menjawab, sudah mewakili apa menjadi tujuan pembelajaran hari ini ya. Dan ya, kembali ke topik. Ya. We back to the topic. Ya. Today we will study about what kind of text that we are going to study based on the
Descriptive
statement.
text, ma'am.
Descriptive.
Good. Thank you, Harjuna, Limatun. Excellent. Okay. Yeah, based on this. Yeah. Where? See the aim of our learning. I hope the end of our learning, you are be able to identify first structural text, the second language feature, and the third social functions of descriptive text. Yeah. Okay. Next. Next slide. Okay. The definition. Yeah, definition. Yeah. Okay. What is the descriptive text? Yeah. Yeah. May Harjuna can read for us,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Okay.
Descriptive text is a kind of text which describes particular person, place, animal, or thing in details.
Yeah. Good. Thank you, Arjuna. Yeah. We can see on here that descriptive text is a kind of text which describes particular person, place, animal, or thing in details. Ya, menggambarkan orang, tempat, binatang atau benda secara detail, lebih jelas, lebih rinci. Oke, good. Next slide. Let's see the generic structure of descriptive text. How many generic structures of descriptive text? How many?
Two, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Okay, we see there are two generic structures of descriptive text. The first is
Identification.
identification. Okay, good. The second is
Description.
description. Okay. Identification is a part of paragraph which introduces or identifies the character to be described. Yeah. And the description is part of paragraph which describe parts and characteristic of the person or something that will be described in detail. Okay, good. Next. Yeah. We have to study the definition, the generic structure, and now we study about the language feature of descriptive text. Yeah. The first, yeah, specific participant. Yeah. So in this meeting, in this learning, we focus, yeah, specific participant that we focus how to describe people, yeah.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
choose. And then the second language feature, the use of the adjective and adjective, yeah. To clarify the noun, yeah, we focus on clarify, focus on for example, a handsome man, a beautiful girl, etc. Yeah. The third, the use of simple present tense. Yeah. In this descriptive text, we use simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present tense because it tells the fact of the object described. Ya, jadi berbeda dengan teks yang lain. Kalau recount text menggunakan tenses apa itu, Juna? Kalau recount text. Ya.
Simple past tense.
Ya, good, excellent. Ya. But in this descriptive text, we use simple present tense. And then action verb, yeah, verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, cut. Yeah. What else? What else happened? Action verb. Any one of you?
Swim.
Yeah, swim. What else?
Eat. Eat, ma'am.
Eat. Yeah, good. Okay, eat. Yeah, and so on. Okay. The next. Yeah, descriptive text. Okay. Here yeah, state again the definition. Yeah. And sub-themes. Ya, ini yang menjadi fokus kita. Social function, jenis structure, language feature. Ya, seperti yang ada pada tujuan pembelajaran tadi. Oke, kita lanjut. Go on. Ya. Next slide. Ya. Oke. How to describe people, ya. Bagaimana kita menggambarkan orang? Yang pertama, the first, ya, identity. We show identity of people or someone. We state who is he or he, what is he or he, age, etc. The second, appearance. Appearance, well, such as face, hair, height, etc. And the third, personalities. Yeah. Kind, generous, friendly. Fourth, hobby. His hobby is watching television, traveling, shopping, reading. Okay, and then the last, habit. He often wears glasses, he is wearing blue t-shirts, etc. Ini cara bagaimana kita mendeskripsikan seseorang. Sama seperti yang awal tadi, yang sudah teman-teman ceritakan tentang best friends. Oke, good. Go on. Ya, here di sini ada teks ya, ada teks yang mendeskripsikan tentang seseorang. Ya, mari kita lihat sama-sama ya, kita amati dan kita pahami apa isi dari teks ini. Oke. What is the topic, Arjuna? Hello?
I cannot see the share screen, ma'am.
Oh, iya.
It
Okay, the other,
describes about
Halimatu.
my friend, ma'am. It describes
Okay.
about my friend.
Good. Ya. Ya, oke. Anyone? Ya, Elizabeth. Can you
Yes,
read
ma'am.
this text?
Yes.
Can you read this text for us, please?
Okay. My friend. His name is Adelard. Adelard is my classmate. I don't see the next ma'am. I can see it.
Oh,
Sorry.
iya.
Yes.
Okay, I continue.
Oh,
He has
his body.
Okay. Can you continue, Elizabeth?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
His body.
Can you continue to read the text? Yeah.
He is 140 centimeter. He has straight black hair. He has oval. Yeah, I don't see it again, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
Yes. He has oval face.
I can help you to read the text, ma'am.
Go on.
I think, ma'am.
He
He
has
has
small eyes. He has
small
sharp
eyes.
nose.
He has sharp
Okay,
nose.
Halimatun.
He has thick lips. He has dark brown skin. He has thin body. He always wears shirt. He is kind. He is smart. He is helpful. He is generous and intelligent.
Diligent. Okay, good. Thank you, Halimatun. Now, based on the text, on this text, I guide you to see. First, Halimatun state that the topic is my friend. Well, we state the social function. What is the social function of this text? Can you raise hand, please? Harry, can you answer my questions? What is the social function of this text? Where is Harry?
I'm here, sir. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Okay. What is the function, social function of this text that we had already read?
Here, I think the writer want to inform something in specific way.
Specific way, oke. Langsung ke poinnya.
Tell someone. The name is
Good,
Adela.
ya. Describe someone, ya. Or the writer's best friend, ya. Oke. Comes to generic structure, ya. Generic structure of this text. Sepe, ya. Can you state the generic structure? Where is identification and where is the description? Please, Sepe. The other students?
The identification.
Oh yeah, Halimatun, please.
The identification first paragraph, ma'am, of sentence and second sentence. His name is Delard. Delard is my classmate. And then the description start from he has a body. He is 140 centimeter and about he has straight black hair, ma'am. And sampai ke bawah, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, good, excellent. Yeah, that's good. And that's right. Identification, his name is Adelard. Adelard is my classmate. That's the identification. So the description start, he has tall body until the end. Okay, good. Now we see the language feature. Yeah. Please find out an adjective in this text. You may mention correctly. Please. An adjective.
Oh.
Okay, good. Small. Next.
Black.
Black.
Straight.
Okay. Oval.
Thin.
Small.
Good.
Big.
Sharp.
Good. Yeah.
Thick.
Brown.
Dark.
Thin.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's so many an adjective. Thank you. Good answer. Thank you so much. So we had Ya, kita sudah pahami apa menjadi isi dari teks ini ya. Topiknya, oke, generic structure, social function, sampai pada language feature sudah. Nah, di sini next. Ya. Ya, I want to work. Ya, you work in pairs ya. Work with seatmate ya. Work with seatmate and then state the based on this. Ya, based on the text, identify social function, generic structure, language feature. Ya, state the in this table, and after that kita akan bahas bersama setelah mengerjakan ini. Oke, bisa bekerja dengan teman sebangku saja, tidak dibagi dalam kelompok ya. Work in pairs ya. Setelah dibahas tadi, bisa langsung ditulis di dalam tabel yang sudah disediakan ini. Oke. 2 minutes ya, 2 minutes.
Finish,
Finish?
ma'am.
Good. Okay. Yeah. Next. I will check after this. Yeah. Ya, in this section ya. Sekarang kita akan melihat LKPD atau lembar kerja untuk
Serta didik.
iya, LKPD pengetahuan ya. Ada teks yang baru ini. Ya. Ada teks yang baru ini dengan topik My Uncle. Nah, teks ini dikerjakan secara individu. Ya, secara individu, tabelnya ada setelah slide ini. Ya, dikerjakan dan akan dikumpulkan minggu depan ya, the next meeting. Because untuk kompetisi dasar yang ini kita punya 2 pertemuan ya, 2 kali pertemuan. And the first we focus on generic structure, social function, and then language feature. And the second meeting next week, we study about how to write. Yeah, okay. Or we focus on skill writing. So today focus on reading skill. Okay, students. Yeah, this is text. Yeah. Saya harap kalian bisa mengerjakan ini di rumah ya. Minggu depan bisa dikumpulkan sesuai dengan tabel yang sudah Ibu sediakan. Oke. Di situ di state ya. Dicantumkan nanti social function-nya apa, generic structure-nya juga apa, dan kemudian language features. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you
ma'am.
so much. Oke, kita sama-sama untuk mengambil kesimpulan di akhir pembelajaran ini ya. Hari,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
the apa yang kita sudah pelajari hari ini?
Pelajari tentang mendeskripsikan orang, ma'am.
Ya, thank you. Juna, apa selain mendeskripsikan orang, apa-apa lagi di dalam mendeskripsikan orang? Hal-hal apa yang perlu kita perhatikan? Silakan Juna.
Juna baru ke belakang, ma'am.
Oh iya. Elizabeth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What do you get in this? What do you get in this learning? Apa yang kau dapatkan dalam pembelajaran ini?
In the study, we can learn about descriptive text to tell about, describe the people, and then there are the generic structure, social function, and also the language feature. I think that's all, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you, Elizabeth.
Okay, you are welcome.
Yeah, the other students? Yeah, Anita. Anita, what do you get in this learning? Oh,
Juna is back, ma'am. Juna is back.
Check.
oh yeah, Halimatun, please.
We have studied about descriptive text, about the social functions, and then generic structure, and also we don't forget that we have studied about language features, ma'am. There are simple present tense and then adjective also and so on.
Okay, good, excellent. Thank you so much. Ya, kita sudah mendengarkan dari teman-teman tadi ya, sudah mewakili beberapa teman bahwa hari ini kita sudah mempelajari tentang descriptive text. Fokus pada bagaimana mendeskripsikan orang. Ya. Hal-hal yang diperhatikan sudah dibahas bersama. Ibu harap ya semua ketika kembali ke rumah bisa melihat kembali catatan-catatan hari ini ya, supaya lebih jauh lagi mengerti dan memahami descriptive text seperti apa dalam penggunaannya kehidupan sehari-hari. Oke, saya ingatkan lagi tugas dikumpul minggu depannya.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the end. Okay, thank you. The end of our meeting today. I ask Elizabeth can lead us to pray to close our meeting. Please,
Yes,
Elizabeth.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, my friends, before we are going to stop to finish our study now. Perhaps. Let's pray to our gods. The pray finish.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Well, yeah. Thank you for coming. Thank you for participation today, and see you.
See you, ma'am.
See you, ma'am.
See you.
Man.